Sawubona kuphi nakuphi la kufuneka khona lo mbuso njengamanje. Ukubingelela uyena Mathinda Dosi Ntombi zomqomo lamehlaka abanye baqhumula imali wazi. Ngana kwethu ngabe usuku lakho lokuqala la ngicela usale siwenze okulungile upress subscribe button ushare uphinde comment wenza sure ukuthi like ukuze njalo mase kufala ama video kuba wena uqala uthola notification. Sizokhuluma ngevideo yamfana kamsele etrendayo ukuthi ubonakale kwelinye lamadolobha noma emhlanga wase wabuzwa omunye wabafo abasebenzisa uTikTok ngesingisi interview umfana kamseleko akazange zahluphe uphendule ngesizulu engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe into leyo esinokuyenza sabantu abaningi as much as understand umuntu ukuthi usuke ethini ngaleso sikhathi wena wakwazi ukuthi umphendule ngoba usuku understand ukuthi ukhuluma le language okuyona understandayo and awufuni ukulokhu uyiconfuse. Ngicabanga ukuthi alikho icala ukuthi uhamba ngemoto engakanani ukuthi wenzani empilweni kodwa ke iworth yakhe uyichazile njengoba ke ivideo ilandela zizwele mlaleli wami.
I think that's a guy from Tunnel's Tim. Oh, you good, bro? Yo. Yeah, bro. Like, what do you do for a living? I love your car. I actually ask people in nice cars, what do you do for a living? Yeah, Peter. Oh, is there anything that you do on the side? I always see you on TV. Umfana kamsele. Alright, ngaphandle kuba umfana kamsele uzutravela emoto yini enye wenzayo? You specialize in security. So like, how do you deal with the media hate yabo and the controversy with people just slandering you? Sure. Issue. Alright. Okay, so alright. So like do you have any life tips, advice? Alright. D'accord. D'accord. Salut.